Hello everyone, I'm Prajwal from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Department of ISC. Today we are going to learn about current trends in artificial intelligence. Introduction to AI. AI refers to the development of computer system that can perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. These tasks includes learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, and even decision making. The goal of AI is to create a machine that can mimic or simulate human cognitive functions. AI can be broadly categorized into two types: narrow or weak AI, or general or strong AI. Narrow, that is weak AI. This type of AI is designed and trained for particular tasks. It excels in that specific domain but lacks the ability to transfer its learning or other tasks. Example of narrow AI includes virtual personal assistants like Siri or Alexa, image recognition software and recommendation systems. General AI, that is strong AI. This is a hypothetical form of AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across diverse tasks similar to the human being. Achievements to the general AI is complex challenge and remains a long-term goal in fixed AI resolution. Here are some key aspects of AI. Machine learning, ML. Machine learning is a subset of an AI that involves the development of algorithm and statistical models that enables computers to perform a task without being explicitly programmed. Instead, these systems learn from data and improve their performance over time. Deep learning. Deep learning is a special form of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers, deep neural networks, to analyze and learn from large volume of data. It has been particularly successful in tasks such as image and speech recognition. NLP, Natural Language Processing. NLP is a field of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human languages. This is crucial for applications such as language translation, chatbots, and sentiment analysis. Explainable AI. Explainable AI. XAI refers to the ability of artificial intelligence systems to provide understandable explanation for their decisions and actions. In many complex machine learning models, especially deep neural networks, the decision-making process can be obscure and challenging for humans to interrupt. Explainable AI aims to address these black box problems by making reason behind AI decisions more transparent and comprehensible. Key aspects of explainable AI includes interruptibility. Interruptibility is the degree of which human can understand the cause and effect relationships in a system. In the context of AI, it involves understanding how input features contribute to the model's in output. Transparency. Transparency refers to the making of internal working of a AI system clear and accessibly. This includes providing information about the model architecture, training data, and decision rules. Trustworthiness. Explainability contributes to the trustworthiness of AI system. User, whether they are individually relying on AI-driven recommendation or organization developing AI in critical application, need to trust the system is making a reliable content. Current trends in AI applications like healthcare in medical diagnosis, providing explanation for why a model predicts a particular condition is a crucial for gaining trust for healthcare info personally, professionally. Finance. Explainable AI is essential if in financial application where clear reasoning behind credit scoring or investment recommendation is required. Legal and regulator compliance. This application involves legal or regulator decision. It's important to provide transparent and justifiable explanation for AI-driven outcomes. Generative AI. Generative AI refers to class of artificial intelligence system that have the capability to generate new content, whether it be images, text, audios, or other forms of data. These systems are designed to understand and replicate patterns from existing data to create new similar data. Generative AI has shown remarkable advancement in recent years, particularly with development of deep learning models. Here are some key aspects of generative AIs. Generative models. Generative AI models are trained to understand and capture the underlying patterns in a dataset. Once trained, these models can be generated new data sample that resembles the training data. Notable explain examples include generative adversarial networks, that is GANs, and variation autoencoders, VAEs. Generator Generative adversarial networks. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and discriminator. These are trained simultaneously through adversarial training. This generator creates new samples and the discriminator evaluates them. This dynamic competition between generators and discriminators result in generator producing increasingly realistic data. Other applications are AI generation. GANs have been used to generate realistic image of face, objects, and scenes. This has application in creating synthetic data of training computer vision model or generating higher quality pictures or graphics. Text generation. Generative models like OpenAI's GPT. Generative pre-trained transformer series are capable of generating coherent and contextual relevant text. This has application in natural language understanding, chatbot, and content creation, art and creativity. Generative AI is used in creative fields to produce art, music, and other forms of expression. Artists and musicians often collaborate with AI systems to explore new possibilities. AI in edge computing. AI in edge computing refers to interrogation and artificial intelligence algorithm and model into edge devices or local computer devices situated close to the data source rather than relying solely on centralized cloud services or processing. This approach brings several advantages, including reduced latency, improved efficiency, and the ability to process data in real time without any need of internet connectivity. Here are key aspects of AI in edge computing. Reduced latency. Edge computing allows AI model to process data locally, reducing the time it takes for information to travel between device and cloud services. This is critically for application that requires real-time decision-making such as autonomous vehicles or industrial automation. Bandwidth efficiency. By processing data locally, Edge AI reduces the need of transmitting large amount of data to centralized servers. This not only conserves bandwidth but also minimizes the associated cost and potential network congestion. Privacy and security. Edge AI addresses privacy concern by keeping sensitive data on local devices, reducing the need to send private information to the cloud. This is particularly important in applications like healthcare, where patients' data need to be sent or handled securely. Edge AI applications. Smart cities. Edge AI can be applied to manage traffic, enhance public safety, and optimize energy consumption in smart cities infrastructures. IoT devices. Edge AI enable IoT devices to process data locally, reducing the need to send all information to the cloud and improving the efficiency of IoT application. Healthcare. Edge AI in medical devices allows to real-time monitoring diagnostics and personalized patient care without compromising data privacy. Different applications are application AI in cyber security, malware and phishing detection, knowledge consolidation, detection of and prioritizing new threats, breach risk prediction, task automation. Coming to conclusion. In conclusion, current trends in AI emphasize contextual advancement in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Ethical consideration, responsible AI development, and effort to mitigate bits are gaining prominences. As AI contributes to integrate into diverse sector, collaboration between experts, transparent algorithm, and focus on user privacy will be crucial for sustainable progress.